Okay, stupid hailstorm supposed to be coming our way, so doing a video before, and hopefully I won't have to do a different one for after. Here we go. Where's the dog? Easton! Come on. Good boy. Careful. Maniac. Okay, we have more peonies here that we transplanted from the corner garden in the driveway. Have a couple stray dahlias in there as well. This is our potato patch, if you can see it. It is large. And we have gold rush russets, red Nordlands, and Yukon golds. And all these rows, and knock on wood, so far no potato bugs. So that's good. Here we have the rhubarb, and these rhubarbs all here are ones I grew from seed. This one was a transplant that was next to the peonies in the corner garden. This is another one I started from seed. And we have all the old asparagus that we cut off. And we have cauliflower and broccoli and cauliflower. And Dennis stained all the tops of the beds, if you can tell. It's awesome. We have carrots coming up, and I just put in a second row yesterday. We have Corral ones, Black Noirs, Yaya carrots, Kaleidoscope carrots. We have celeriac. We have Chinese pink celery. We have a stupid weed. I don't know what these are. Tall Utah celery and Deline celery. And then this is our herb bed that we moved. We got lots of pretty flowers in here. Have rosemary that's not doing too well. We have parsley, cilantro, mammoth dill, Chinese chives, toothache plant, haredale, sage broadleaf, parsley, garlic chives that I just planted, calendula, sage. All this stuff is really small. Greek oregano, confetti cilantro. I'm guessing that's another kind of thyme or something. I have no idea. We have our sweet potatoes that now definitely look like they have bugs or grasshoppers, I'm thinking. We have Georgia Jets, Centennials. I planted onions in here, and there's one. Two. They didn't do too well. And then we have some beets, the Chicago red and white. We have Cylindra that didn't look like it did well. Kohlrabi's coming. And then we have the strawberries. The wind keeps blowing these. And they are so yummy. That sucker's red as red can be. Okay. Sorry about that. I have all our different kinds of blueberries back here. If you can see all the blueberries on the branches. gonna have a ton. They're growing lots. That's the birthday boy. I have some squash that my brother sent me. So that's why it's called Eric squash, because it didn't do well in Portland. I just planted some zucchinis. The first batch didn't really do anything. Let's see. This bed is a test bed. It's got tomatoes and peppers in it, and we're doing them outside instead of them in the greenhouse. And these peppers are freaking hot. We just have to figure out which is which. We kind of lost our markers on it. Hey, Easton, no. Some weird kind of tomatoes. Tulips and prairie fires. It'll be fun to watch. No. We have lots of Brussels sprouts and hollyhocks. Okay. Okay, we have cabbages in here. All different kinds. Chinese, Napa, weird spirally ones. And we have my favorite cucumbers back here. We have beans that are coming up pretty good. This year's been weird. We have my peas and artichokes and spinach in there. So pretty soon I'll be out here eating lunch. We have a special hybrid sweet corn. We have some watermelons. We have some pumpkins over here, pumpkin pies, Connecticut fields, hybrids, French ones for my French uncle. We have giant pumpkin. We have all the hazelnuts back there and other fruit trees that you can see, and the bees. And we have to go. Oh no. Quick peek. Holy cow, tons of peppers, all different kinds for pepper jelly. And then we have tons of different kinds of tomatoes in here too. Lettuce is gone. And getting over to the flower garden. Quick peek before all the hail busts this stuff out. Divas, breakouts, unwind mix. These are AAA giant or AA giant. I don't know what they're going to be yet. Cafe au lait rose are in that back row. Labyrinth, Fairway Spur, Mystery 23s, Smooches, 90-day mix, Emery Paul's, Salmon Runners, Gabby's Wish, Otto's Thrill, Bees and Butterflies, Penhell Watermelon, My Forever Peach. Last but not least, Bella Barmera, Labyrinth, Shadow Noel. Divas are just starting to come up, if you can see. Tyrell, Penhell Watermelon, Diva, Mystery Days. That'd be it.